Have you ever been frustrated trying to find the perfect nail color for your skin tone? You're not alone. Choosing the right nail color can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'll show you how to find the perfect match for your skin tone. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to choose the right nail color for your skin tone. Whether you're looking for a subtle, natural look or something more daring, I'll show you how to find the perfect match. First, let's talk about skin tones. There are three main categories: warm, cool, and neutral. To determine your skin tone, look at the veins on the inside of your wrist. If they appear green, you have a warm skin tone. If they appear blue, you have a cool skin tone. If you can't tell, you likely have a neutral skin tone. Once you've determined your skin tone, you can start looking for the perfect nail color. For warm skin tones, look for colors with yellow or orange undertones, such as coral, peach, and beige. For cool skin tones, look for colors with blue or purple undertones, such as navy, lavender, and gray. For neutral skin tones, look for colors with a mix of both warm and cool undertones, such as pink, mauve, and taupe. Now that you know what colors to look for, let's talk about how to apply them. Start by applying a base coat to protect your nails and help the color last longer. Then, apply 2 coats of your chosen color. Finally, finish with a top coat to add shine and protect your nails. Now you know how to choose the perfect nail color for your skin tone. Remember, the key is to find colors with the right undertones for your skin tone. With a little bit of practice, you'll be able to find the perfect match every time. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for 2 new videos every day. Thanks for watching.